Hey guys, Chad here. Welcome to my video series on building a website and application using only a Chromebook. I'm excited to take this adventure with you guys and show you how you might be able to build a website and an application using just that Chromebook. So what are we going to do? We're going to build a website and we're going to get that live on the web. So we're not just going to show you how to get something working locally and then kind of end it there. Like I want to take all the steps you need to get it live up on the web with a new URL and all that good stuff, DNS entries, all that good stuff. So everything you need. We're also going to build a progressive web application. And what that is an application. It's basically a website that can run as a native app. So just like an iOS app or an Android app. So this one website or web application you build can work across all the platforms it might be used on. So we're going to do that using only a Chromebook. So who is this for? I'd say anyone with a passion for the web. If you're brand new to web development, just interested in kind of how it works and how to build a website, this is an awesome opportunity to learn all of the pieces you need to get a website up and running live on the internet, which is super cool. And even for developers who are just kind of looking to expand their knowledge to kind of think about a new approach to how you might build something in the future. I think you'll find some interesting tidbits along the way. I know I always do when I watch others' videos. So I'm excited for all of you guys to join me, and please leave comments and feedback as we go through the process. And I hope to have an engaging dialogue where we can learn from each other throughout. So how are we going to do this? We're going to use a Chromebook with 4 gigs of RAM at least. So I think that's an important note. A 2 gig Chromebook is going to be a little bit painful, I think, to do all these processes on. So 4 gigs of RAM, and it must have Linux beta available on it. You'll see this how it all works in the very first video. So don't worry too much about it, but you can give the next video a go and see if it works for you. So we're going to do all this in less than 30-minute videos. So a bunch of less than 30-minute videos. So I don't want to, take up too much of your time in any one given video. So we're going to mix that also between implementation and deep dive videos. So the implementation videos, those are all about getting things done. It's getting this website up and running, push it out to the web, building the web application, all that stuff. However, we're going to come across a lot of topics you guys might not be familiar with. Git and Docker might be a couple things that, you don't have any idea what those are. That's okay. I'm going to take a step back after each of the implementation videos and do a deep dive about kind of the background technologies and a lot of this stuff, and hopefully catch you guys up. So those who are just focused on getting stuff done that kind of have the foundational knowledge will be able to keep going on the implementation videos, and those who kind of need to better understand how something works, we'll be able to take a step back and look into the deep dive video. So excited about both those. Also, you're going to need some patience and enjoy the journey. Web development is super rewarding, but not super quick. It takes a while to build anything. You're going to watch me build stuff that looks quick. I've spent probably hours on some of these small, what seems like tiny tasks to get the right syntax and all that good stuff. So be patient, enjoy the journey. Just know you're learning even when you're frustrated and stuck. Those are the times where you learn something that you don't forget, which is awesome. So why are we doing this? One reason is because we can. It's fun to play with technology and new technology and just different approaches. So building a website and a web application on just a Chromebook is an awesome learning experience. We're going to learn a ton from it. Also, we're really limiting the barriers to entry. Web development can be kind of an expensive thing to get into right away if you really want that great machine to get going. But to go drop possibly $2,000 on a new MacBook just to find out if you might like something is quite a spendy investment. So I think this is a great way to learn if this is something you're interested in pursuing by just kind of using a Chromebook that you might already have and going through the process. Also, the Chrome OS the Chrome OS environment is very secure. So it's awesome to have a secure development environment where we really won't have to worry too much about antivirus and those kind of things. Here's all the steps we're going to take. It's a lot. I'm not going to go through them all, but highlight some things. We're going to use Git. We're going to use Eleventy, which is a static site generator for building our front ends. We're going to do some Postgres database work. We're going to use Elixir for our API, and we're going to build a to-do app. There's tons of other steps in here. Totally okay. Don't worry about it. We're going to do videos on all this stuff. It's going to be super fun. So I just want to say thank you and welcome to our journey. I'm excited to have you guys along for the ride, and feel free to reach out to me at my email there or leave comments. Thanks.